Hey, it's Julie Zimos from 365 Kona here for the Big Island Real Estate Minute. And today I'm interviewing Kimberly Quintana from Island Home Loans. And what I'm actually getting from her is some really cool up-to-date information about the government shutdown, what's happening with the rates after the Fed raised the rates, and what's happening on the island in terms of the housing market. So Kimberly, can we start with rates? What's going on with rates?
We are telling people, do not focus so much on the rates. If you are looking back in the past 10, 15, 20 years, rates are good still. We are still getting people in the fours. You know, some of it does depend on the lender, your credit, what your situation is. So we have a wide variety of situations that come through our doors every day, but it's about what you can afford. And that's what our job is, to make sure you're getting in those right spaces.
Okay, so that way you're focusing more on buying the home than worrying about the rate.
Yeah, stop worrying about the rates. It's just all the hype right now, and there's really nothing to it so far.
Yeah, because even if you did 5% or even 6%, Eric and I buy at 7%, and during the 80s it was 21%, right?
Gosh, yeah.
So we're doing pretty good right now with the rates.
We are still doing good. I think the highest right now is in maybe the 6s.
Okay.
That's for, you know, a very specific situation, but you know, most of the people that we're seeing, we're getting in the low 5s and the high 4s.
Okay, awesome. Okay, and then on the government shutdown. So we know right now that the government shutdown is having a little bit of an impact on getting mortgages.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about what mortgages are affected and which ones are not?
Really, the only effect we're seeing right now is with USDA. VA's fine, we're good there. Conventional, FHA, all of those are good to go. We're getting new applications daily, and we're getting people closed. It's just the USDA at this moment that is being put kind of on the back burner.
And the USDA loans would affect people who are trying to buy ag land, right?
Correct. So this is a 100% financing. It affects the Big Island probably more so just because anything outside of Hilo proper is under USDA guidelines. So it is affected. However, we're still taking the apps, we're still running numbers, we're still getting pre-qual letters out there. Our lenders are still working. It's literally just being able to submit to the USDA.
There we go. Okay, and then in terms of how many mortgage applications you are receiving, which kind of tells us the health of the economy on this island and the housing market, how's it looking out there?
It's booming. So let me just tell you, our inventory is low, but new houses are coming on the market every day. Lots of action on the island, just getting properties built. Hilo side and down in Puna especially, lots of new builds going up. So it's really an exciting time right now. Lots of people can afford to live here still. And we're not seeing any issues with it slowing down, honestly.
That's awesome. Okay, then looking forward, do you think we're at the top of the market?
No, probably we'll see some more rate increases. I think it's probably about to flatline here soon, but I think we will see a couple more rate increases. However, the biggest thing is, before you get, you know, unnerved about any of this stuff, talk to somebody. That's what we're here for. It's free. Come talk story with us. Let us look at your income. Let us look at your credit. Let us set a game plan for you where you can become a homeowner. It's free to talk. We love to talk about the island. We love to help people get into homes, finding ways. You know, we sit there every day and come up with every possible way to try to get somebody into a home where they're comfortable and they can have their slice of paradise here.
There you go. Because some of you guys on this channel are trying to figure out a way to move here and do it so that you are sustainable, right? And so when you talk to somebody like Kimberly, they can actually run the numbers for you, figure out what you're bringing, what you need to bring, how things are going to run for you so you don't come here unprepared, right?
Correct. If you are not quite there yet, whether it's income or credit, you know, we set a game plan for you, whether it's 6 months, a year down the road. We have, you know, information for you that can help you become a homeowner. It may not be today, maybe 3 months, 6 months, a year, but we'll lay out that foundation for you so you can become a homeowner and be happy with it.
There you go. And that's what we're offering today, is opportunities for you guys to get some more knowledge about cool people who are doing good things on this island to get you guys into a home in Hawaii. So thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
And we will say aloha.
Aloha.
Now.